My name is Gaurav and I'm the local committee president of ISEC in Dehradun. And we are trying to create impactful experiences in the city through the international network that ISEC has. Most of the students travel from different parts of India and come to Dehradun. For them, it's a city with valley, with mountains. And to live here is a cool thing to do because 1 hour drive and you can reach the mountains from here. I believe that this feeling of facing those mountains and finding your calling in between has there and will be there through the years that ISEC in Dehradun will live and change the lives in the city that we are living in. We've had a lot of international in the last 3 years who have worked in different projects, worked in different NGOs and created change. We've had interns from Poland, Russia, China, Taiwan, Vietnam and have created tremendous exchange. It's been peculiarly a very intense experience for the members who work in the organization to engage with such internationals who take time out and money from their general lives in their cities and come to India and specifically to Dehradun to work in these projects.
Earlier, before joining ISEC, I used to feel that I'm not a person who could fit in the role of a leader. But this journey has made me so much stronger that now I'm leading a bunch of people. I am the team leader of a university. I'm leading all those people. So this is what ISEC has made me capable of. And throughout my journey, I always find myself constantly learning, constantly facing new challenges and feel like conquering them. And at the end, coming out as a stronger person.
As for Dehradun, I like mountains very much and I really wanted to see Himalayas, and Dehradun attracted me with its nature.
In Dehradun, I was just amazed with the greenery here. Like the campus and then on 4 sides of it surrounding, everything is just green and beautiful.
This year I went for an internship through ISEC to Egypt. So one night we all people from more than 26 countries, 31 people from 26 countries were sitting together at a cafe and discussing about each and everyone's country. You know, the talks got so powerful in between that I actually started to experience stereotypes being broken. Mountains are calling is basically not the scenic beauty of the city. We know Dehradun has mountains, we know it's nestled in the mountains. But mountains are actually the things which you look upon to. Your targets, your goals, your achievements. That's what mountains are. That's what your goals should be. That's how big they should be.
ISEC in Dehradun is giving opportunities for independent leadership, wherein a person independently becomes aware of himself. When you work in a place like Dehradun, where there are certain issues which really need to be taken care of, you experience a leadership development program because you are actually feeling that you are contributing to something vital and you are actually living through that intense experience where you have to adjust to certain situations and where everything you do is not according to your will or according to your expectations.
Mountains are calling
And I must go.
Mountains are calling and I must go.